Hello, welcome to the KlinKode ShipRight app tutorial series. Today I'll show you how to hide any shipping methods for specific products using the ShipRight app. First, go to the ShipRight app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Now, click on the Add a New Condition button. Select Products. Add some products in the blank area. Give it a rule name. Add your desired shipping methods under the Select Shipping Methods field. I have selected Standard Shipping. This setup ensures that if someone adds a product for which we have set a rule to their cart, the standard shipping option will be hidden. Finally, click on the Save button. Let's head over to the checkout page and have a look. As you can see, the product we selected in the rule is not in the checkout page, which is why the standard shipping option is visible. Let's add the product which we have selected in the rule, and check it now. Now you can see that the standard shipping option is gone. That's it. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!